Let's be real, your 9 to 5 might cover the basics, but it's not going to get you ahead. If you're tired of waiting for someone else to give you a raise, tired of barely saving, or just want to make serious extra cash, you're in the right place. These are 5 high-paying side hustles in the US you can start without quitting your job, and without being on anyone else's schedule. No timelines, no pressure, just pure hustle. 1. Freelance copywriting. First up, freelance copywriting. This isn't writing novels or poetry. It's writing stuff that sells: emails, ads, landing pages, product descriptions. If you're good at communicating clearly and can learn a brand's tone, you're already halfway there. Beginners often start at $25 to $50 an hour. More experienced writers, they easily earn over $100 an hour, especially in niches like tech, finance, and health. Start by creating a few sample pieces and offering services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn. You can even reach out directly to small businesses whose websites need help. They'll often be thankful someone noticed. 2. Airbnb hosting. If you've got a spare room, a finished basement, or even just a decent pull-out couch in a good location, you can turn it into cash with Airbnb. A few nights a month could pay a big chunk of your rent or mortgage, and that's no exaggeration. If you don't own a place, there's something called Airbnb arbitrage. You rent a property from a landlord, with their permission, then sublet it short-term and pocket the difference. It takes effort, cleaning, communicating with guests, keeping your listing sharp, but it can be a powerful income stream. Bonus: good reviews stack up fast and help your listing stand out. 3. High-ticket flipping. Flipping isn't just for garage sales and thrift stores. The real money is in high-ticket items. Think used cars, luxury watches, power tools, camera gear, or phones. The strategy is simple: buy low, clean it up, resell high. Look for deals on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, or estate sales. It does take some research. You'll need to know what sells and how to price it. But with a sharp eye and some hustle, 1 or 2 smart flips a month could earn you hundreds or even thousands. The key is consistency, good photos, honest listings, and knowing when to walk away from a bad deal. 4. Online coaching or consulting. Are you good at something people struggle with? That's a business. Whether it's fitness, career coaching, financial planning, social media, or mindset, people are out there looking for guidance, and they're willing to pay for it. You don't need to be a guru. You just need to be ahead of the person you're helping. Offer one-on-one coaching, host small group sessions, or even sell recorded workshops. Platforms like Zoom, Calendly, and Stripe make it easy to set up and charge for sessions. Not only is it profitable, it's fulfilling. You're literally helping people grow while growing your own income. 5. Remote tech support. You don't have to be a full-on tech expert to make money with remote tech support. If you're good at solving everyday tech issues, like fixing Wi-Fi, setting up printers, removing viruses, or walking someone through software problems, this is for you. Sites like Just Answer, Support.com, and even freelance platforms connect people with tech skills to those who need help. You can also offer services locally, post in Facebook groups or local forums. Many older adults or small business owners are happy to pay someone who can solve a problem quickly and patiently. All you need is solid communication, some patience, and a reliable internet connection. If you're serious about changing your life, it starts with one step. Pick your hustle, and let's go.